डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका आनी हेजो नाका म्हणपाक खाली एक कारण म्हळ्यार खाली जें कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन ताका लागून मेन इश्यू. सो लोकांक पयलीं जेन्ना 10 वर्सां पयलीं जेन्ना 10-11 हो टेंडर जालो एज डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचो आनी बिफोर 17 इलेक्शन जावचे पयलीं काम स्टार्ट जाल्लें डबल ट्रॅकिंग. सो लोकांक कोणें अपोज करूं ना. चांदर घेवन वयता तेन्ना कोणें अपोज करूं ना आनी लोक हॅप्पी जाल्ले डबल ट्रॅकिंग. ते लोकां आमकां बेगीन पावता म्हणून. सो आतां लोक बेजार जालो खातीर कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट जालो. कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक डबल ट्रॅकिंग जालो. सो काल पयर हें जालें थिंगा हांव गेल्लो, हांव वचोन थिंगा आयलो, हांव कोण येयलो ह्या वरभर रावन आयलो आनी जेन्ना आमी रोखडी सीएमाक पयलीं सांगून आमी आख्खे सावथ गोवा ही मिटींग सगळी काडल्या. पयलीं काल आमी सीएमा कडेन वचून मिटींग घेतली आनी आमचो एनवायरमेंटल मिनिस्टर निलेश बाबू आसलो आनी आमी सीएमाक प्रश्न केले आनी सीएमान आमकां फूल एश्युरन्स दिलो that कोल आज तितलो पयलीं जो 47 येतालो तितलो येतो मार एक एक्स्ट्रा येवपा ना म्हणटा दोनी बद्दलसून एलपीडी सगळो जाता. सो आनी ही म्हायती आमकां दिवपाक आमगे काबराल बाब ताणें सांगलां आनी तो सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे तोवूय मेंबर जावन आसा तेजो आनी एनवायरमेंटल मिनिस्टर म्हणले की सगळे सीएमान काल तेका सगळे पेपर हें करून आनी आज प्रेस घेवपाक एक्चुली काल घेवपाक आशिल्लें पणज्यान आनी आमी सावथाक घेवपाक गेलें. सो आज आमी हें घेतलें आनी तें सगळें एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलां. सो म्हाका दिसता कोल तो थिंग ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन जावपा ना जाल्यार आमकां तितलें व्हडलें प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना. आनी लोकांक भियेत कितें जे हब कोल हब पयलीं म्हणपाक लागलें थिंगा तेगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जाता म्हणून शेलवान शेड्या मुखार चांदोर आफ्टर चांदोर. सो मागीर ते म्हणपाक लागलो तेणें बंद करून आमी चांदोर घाताय म्हणून. सो हे मुगे लोक सांगले आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चांदोर. सो लोकांक एक भंय आयल्या आनी लोक सगळे मुखार सगळे प्रोटेक्ट नाका म्हणून. सो जे आरटीआयचेर मारले म्हणटाय तेणी जे इतली टन येतले आतां 10 येता तो 136 टन येतलो. सो पयल्या एक प्रेजेंटेशन चोयलें आमी थोडे पार्टी ते गोंयचो एक कोण तेणी मिटींग घेतली ते भशेन दाखयलें. सो काल आमी एक्सप्लेनेशन सीएमाक एश्युरन्स घेतले भशेन आमी निलेश बाबू आसलो ते म्हणल्यार तशें कांय ना म्हणून तें रॉंग म्हणून. सो आतां तेणें आज सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलां. सो आनीक म्हायती आमी आतां आनिकूय एक मिटींग आसा सीएम डेली वयतलो आनी हेज्या मुखार पूण एज ए एमएलए कुंकळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी आमी गोंयकार फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो आमी जो आनी एक्स्ट्रा वो कोल आमी हाडून दिवपा नाय आनी आमी मुखार जे एसेंब्ली आसा तेजेर पासून आमी डिसिजन घेतले कितें हें करपाक तें असेंब्ली जाता तेन्ना. सीएमान आमकां पुरो एश्युरन्स दिला आनी आमी सीएमा कडेन विचारलां आनी काबराल बाबा सांगिल्ले ते भशेन म्हाका दिसना. सो तरी आसतना आमी कोल हाडटा जाल्यार मुगेलो प्रपोज आसतलो. सो कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करतलो आनी एक्स्ट्रा इतलें सांगपाचें. सो डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक आमगे तांदूळकार घेतले व्हडलेशें कोणाक पयलीं ते हॅप्पी जाल्ले. सो बिकॉज ऑफ कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन लागून ते हें आहलें आनी कोल तो ना म्हण जाल्यार हांव हॅप्पी म्हाका दिसता. हांव म्हणटा म्हगे कोल हॅप्पी करपाक
गोंयांत हाडचो जाल्यार विशय जो आसा तो बंद जाले डेव्हलपमेंट जे सेकंड लायक घालपाचें आहा तें कंटिन्यू जाता.
But no, as Nilesh Kabra, are you convinced that this project, double tracking, is not for all? Because see now they are investing huge money, 2,000, 3,000 crores. It is a project from Vasco to Prospect, if I am not mistaken. If not for coal, for what it is being laid for passenger traffic?
Raj, I can tell you. See, what you are saying has got whatever meaning you want to remove it out of it. मुझे सांगपाचें कितें आसा? We are a developing nation. And in the developing nation, not only Prospect to Vasco, there are many other. If you want, I will get those lists next time. I will show you who double tracking चालू आसा देखो India भितर काम. This is part of a developing nation. So whether it is advantages or disadvantages, whether it is loss or profit, is not the look of the government. Government is not here to do business, and this particular project is being done by the central government. So this is for envisaging to see the nation progressing. Now you cannot see. आपको example समझा. If you go from Vasco to Belgaum, use the train. देखा ट्रेनिंग almost 4-4.5 वर लागता. 4-4.5 वर किती लागता? किती एव्हरी स्टॉपाचेर ते साइडीन रावपाक पडटा. दुसरी ट्रेन येवपा पासून. आणि अशें करून ती distance normally if you go by bike or car, it covers by 2 hours. And train should also be covered by 2 hours. So when this double tracking happens, it will cover in 2 hours. So it is got amenities. I am not saying what you are saying, there will be no goods movement, there will be no other movement. But I can assure you that MPT will not bring, it will limit in the next few days with proof, because now I have shown you the letter. So we want a letter from, we are trying and we will do under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, we will bring letter and show that MPT will restrict their coal movement in MPT only to so much. Then what is the problem of bringing?
Another thing is,
Question of the church.
लोकांनी साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डबल करपाचे आनी कोलाचे दोन्ही कनेक्शन लायला तेजेर तुजें कितें म्हणणें काय
तेच म्हणटाली आम्ही क्लियर सांगला ची डेव्हलपमेंट आम्ही वी आर अ डेव्हलपिंग नेशन अँड वी हॅव टू बी अ डेव्हलप नेशन केन्ना तरी जावपाक जाय नाल्यार डेव्हलपिंग हे काँग्रेसीच्या राज्यात डेव्हलपिंग उरलेले आसा आम्ही जे ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जो आसा ही इज कमिटेड आणि वी वॉन्ट टू गो इन टू अ डेव्हलप नेशन अँड वेन वी से अ डेव्हलप नेशन in the all developed nations, there are 2 tracks of trains which go, one incoming, one going. And this is what is required a development nation. And teka lagun हे double laning आखे देशभर चालू आसा. एका थोड्या लोकांनी कोल तेकयला. सो कोलाचो प्रश्न आज म्हाका आमी क्लियर सांगला. येता ती 10 ते 15 आमी लेटर हाडून तुमकां दाखयला एमपीटीचे where they have returned to the center. आणि आमी फुडें सेंटरा कडल्यान जाय जाल्यारूच ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आमचो क्लियर करून हाडटलो की गोंयांत जे क्वॉन्टिटी जो कोल येता तो बाबा हेज्या वयर केन्ना एमपीटीन येवचो ना हेंय आमी करून दाखयतले.
So Nilesh, you are going to continue with these 3 projects?
See, these are, आमी पयलीं सांगला, these are national projects.
So you are going to continue?
Coal, see whether I am going to continue, who has stopped it? Have you stopped it? You are asking me whether I am going to continue.
Yeah.
See, that's why I am answering you in the proper way. It is not a question of stopping. It is a question of being a developed nation. And to be a developed nation, it is entire India is being developed on the principles of lines where the question of putting infrastructure for the state and the country is part of the developing of the nation. Now, which are these 3 projects? What are these 3 projects? Is the question. One is bringing, as I already said, that one lane which is coming, the second lane for free movement of up and going trains is required, so it has to continue. The second project is, as I have explained, कि गोंयान power has a demand 5% वाडटा, consumer वाडटा and power वाडटा. So आता आज हांव रिपीट करता, कोण माझ्या फेसबुकार वगैरे घालता माझा 2 वर्साचो पयलो स्टेटमेंट की पावर गोंयान खूब आसा. हय, हांव अजून सांगता पावर गोंयान खूब आसा, पूण कितले वर्सां 5% जर वाडटा 650 मेगावॉट्स ऑफ पावर आमकां सिंगल डे कंजम्पशन जाल्ले आसा. तेका जर 5% एड केले आनी एवरी इयर 5% एड केले जाल्यार 3-4 वर्सांनी तो पावर जो गोंयान आसा तो पावचो ना. And that is why we have to be a forward-looking government and we have to bring in the power. And secondly, as I सांगले clear statement करता की 400 kVA line जी आसा, it is only 2 लाईनी आता महाराष्ट्राच्या. These 2 lines will give the grid connectivity and equally for the south of Goa जे गोष्टी आसा. तिसरी गोष्ट जी आसा, जो रस्तो जो 2 लेन आसा तो 4 लेन करपाक लोक जे अनमोड घाटावयल्यान वयता तेणे पयल्ले आसा की कशें डेंजरस आसा. सो दिस इज फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा आनी तो आज केलो म्हूण जावचो ना. दे हॅव टेकन लॉट ऑफ प्रिकॉशन. ताका आनी 13-14-15 वर्सां लागतली करपाक. हो जो पावर जो कामाराचो प्रोजेक्ट जर आज चालू केलो तर ताका 3-4 वर्सां लागतली कंप्लीट जावपाक. सो ह्यो गोष्टी आनी आतां इवन डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचे जे आसा जे वयले टनल जे आसा ते 3 सेक्शन आसा. गोंयचे बॉर्डर टू पुढे मडगांव टू वास्को जे अनमोड सेक्शनाचो पार्ट आसा ताका मिनिमम 3-4 वर्सां वयतली फक्त ताका बोगदे जे आसा ते वाडोवपाचे. सो ह्यो सगळी गोष्टी जर डेव्हलपमेंट नेशन आमी म्हणटा. So this is part of the developing nation, and we as BJP government has always wanting developed state and good infrastructure of the state. We stand by these projects. State. There is no question of Goa being a coal hub. Today there are allegations against this government that it does not listen to the people of Goa, which is very much wrong. This is the only government. Successive BJP governments have listened to the people of Goa and brought what is required in the interest of Goa. There was never mention of increasing of coal in Goa. Coal has been brought to Goa. I would like to mention that it is not from today. it is being brought from many years. And I would like to give you a preview, an official statement of when the coal has been coming to Goa and from which year and what are the quantities. Before going to those quantities, I would like to state that one thing is very clear in the heads and all the BJP functionaries, whether it is the BJP organization or whether it is the BJP-led government by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, that there will be no coal hubs in Goa. This is one clear statement I would like to tell the people of Goa. Now comes the question of MPT's Sagarmala. I do not know, I do not say no to the allegations made by some activists and some people that Sagarmala reports. Now Sagarmala is what? Sagarmala is a project emphasized by the central government where the entire ports of Goa were put into a study program, and the consultant named was there by the name of ATEC, where they have made the Sagarmala 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reports for the entire country. And if you go to see, there is a mention of Sagarmala in the reports of volume 1, volume 2, volume 3 and volume 4 and volume 5, where what is emphasized for MPT and what some people are saying that they have got documents through RTI. These documents are available on the central website of the Ministry of Shipping. Whatever the projects are available on the website, and this can be accessed by anybody. Nobody has to ask RTI. What is this? This is like where a consultant was appointed, and that consultant has said that in Goa, these programs can be done to get the maximum use of the port. This is what the consultant has done, and what they are alleging, that yes, it is shown that 54 million tons will be brought over a period of time, 138 million tons will be brought over a period of time, which is there in part of the Sagarmala 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 report. Now this is a report for the entire country. Now whether this will be done here, I have got a letter from MPT where they have said that they have in the project report of theirs, where it is very clearly mentioned that they are dropping 4 of these projects. Number 1, deepening of the approach channel and turning circle to facilitate berthing of capsized vessels. This is the first project they are dropping. The second project is development of 2 numbers berths with connecting flyover for Indian Navy and Coast Guard at Vasco Bay. Third project is outer harbour and iron ore and coal terminal, which is being dropped. Multipurpose terminal at Betul, which is also dropped. This is a letter dated from MPT which I have got with me, which is sent to the Secretary Shipping, Ministry of Shipping, Transport Bhavan, Parliament House. Now this is how it functions. This is
get educated, do not have suitable employment in Goa, and they have to go, and who has to make that potential for them? It is the state government who has to make potential for them in all ways, whether it is widening of roads for continuous activities for whatever reasons, whether it is bringing more electricity for the state of Goa, or whether it is making double line for the state of Goa. Today, this project is not only for the state of Goa. The entire 372 kilometers of double lining is happening. Balance is only 90 kilometers. Out of that, 70 kilometers is in the state of Goa. And we are in the nation. We are part of Goa, and along with the nation as whole. Number 2, whatever development is happening as part of the Tamnar project, there are some allegations made when I brought a white paper. Nobody had the guts to bring in the past. When I brought the white paper, if you go to the white paper, it is very clear that I have shown projections of increase in consumers. I am not a fool. कोणाक सांगपाची गरज ना. खंयची तरी पार्टी सांगतलो की काबरान कितें दिला तें सारकें न्ही. अरे खंयची फॅक्टरी जेन्ना घरा कोण घालता तेका पावर कितें एक घराचो लागता इतलें अक्कल ह्या मनशाक ना. एक फॅक्टरी घालता तेका पावर चड लागतलोच. घरात लागतो ना. म्हजो वायट रिपोर्ट पावराचेर उलोवंक नाशिल्लो. म्हजें कन्जम्पशन जें इन्क्रीज जाता तेजेर आसलो आनी कोण कंज्युमर इन्क्रीज जाता तेजेर आशिल्लो आनी कोणें म्हाका सांगपाची गरज ना की तूं सांगता की इंडस्ट्री येवची ना आमचे 1% इंडस्ट्री येना इंडस्ट्री खंयची येयली जाल्यार ताका पावो लागताच आनी ताका आमी प्रोविजन करूंक पडटले आमचे खंयचे भुरगे जे गोंयचे भाव आनी भयणी जे शिकता तांकां खंय कामां वचपाचें So this is all part of development and we are firm in the development and there is no two ways about the development of Goa. I think with these clear minds, I have made a very clear statement, statement clear Kalasa on behalf of the government of Goa and on behalf of the Chief Minister of the state where we are working and you will see the progress. Officially, Honorable Chief Minister will also give statement in the next 7 to 10 days with official letters where we will show that there will be no increase in coal in the state of Goa, whether it is form of transportation or whether it is a form of track. But what is existing, maybe 10-12 million tons which is happening annually, might continue for some time. This is a very clear indication. But don't mix up the projects of development of the nation or the state into some things which never forecasted. 1947 movement of coal happened. 1947 1.13 lakh tons coal capacity. 1.13 lakh tons. Or even 1948, 49 and 1.72 49, 50, 2.17 झालो आनी अशेंच कोल मागीर केन्ना कमी जालो चड जालो पूण एक गोश्टी बरी आहा आमचे ऑपोजिशन काल वचून ते शो करता 99 2000 12,18,747 metric tons coal एमपीटी तेन्ना खंयचे सरकार आशिल्ले 89, 97, 98 4,87,825 96, 97, 3,86,392 हे सरकार कोणाचे आशिल्ले पण माझे सांगपाचें कितें आसा ज्यो गोश्टी हे पळय शो करपाक सोदता हे शो करपाची गरज ना हांगा खंय जर तुवें मागले एका रिकॉर्ड म्हाजे कडेन कसो हांवें काडला तसो सगळ्यांक मेळूंक शकता आनी जो कोल जो गोंयांत येता वो आतां हाडना पूण बीजेपी सरकार हाडूना वो खंयच्या सरकारान हाडला लोकांनी विचारचो आनी बीजेपी सरकार केन्ना आशिल्ले आनी वो कोल हाडपाचें परमिशन कोणें दिल्लें हे तांकां लोकांनी विचारचें because see today politicians are I have seen these people they are targeting me which I have no involvement at all they call me whatever language they want to call let them call I am very firm I am very direct and I can stay by my statement this project is going on 14 kilometer stretch for last 2.5 years
Everyone knows.
no everyone does not know I am telling you listen to me everybody does not know if everybody does not knew then they would not have made that issue. They have made the issue because coal is coming. That is what we highlighted. When the government is formed that there is no coal coming, the question does not arise. So what we are doing, what is happening is whatever ways and means what we are trying to do is to give, as I told you, I got a letter from MPD that this is not going to happen. That I will show you the full plan. There is a plan of MPD with me where there are projections of the entire what is there for the port. And this entire plan, what is to be done and what is not to be done, is what we are doing together as a whole. So nobody has to tell us. We are firm. We are with the people of Goa. We are. आम्ही सारखे गोंयकारा वांगडा आसा आनी कोलचो जो आसा जो येता तो चालू उरतलो तो वाडोवपाक कसोच आमी दिवचो ना हेजेर आमी लक्ष घालून काम करता हे आमकां लोकांनी सांगपाचें हे ऑपोजिशनाक सांगपाची गरज ना कोणाक सांगपाची गरज ना आमी गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारा
Now, is the government making it compulsory for all the real estate developers while constructing a project that they should make a provision for the solar?
See, I will explain to you, sir. Till it comes within the subsidy. See, I have seen projects where real estate people have put in STPs which are not functioning and people's overflowing soak pits are there. So those questions are not there. It has to come within and it should come within the people to put it by themselves. So when it comes within, not everything will fall in place. We are targeting Goa for 150 megawatts of power. I'm not sure where we are targeted, but we are working in that target and I can give facts and figures in the next 4 months. What is this 150 megawatts of power? Where we are targeting? What way we are doing? We are also tying up. One more thing I want to tell you that we have got 6,500 agricultural pumps which are old. We are coming out shortly with a scheme where we are tying up with the central government where these pumps will be made free of cost to the agriculturists and we will take 3 times the land from them to put solar so that they get free pumping also when required. So we are coming on this scheme. We are working in that direction. In the next 4 months,
you will see the entire white paper. I will say white paper again. Because white paper, they have to sit across and decide. Because people who don't know knowledge about white paper should not discuss. So I have come with the entire 150 megawatts of power for Goa on renewable sector. What is required?
Most of the government departments, buildings are not at.
All we are, I'm inaugurating Margaon multipurpose shortly. I am calling you all, please come and I will show you what is already put. Already university I am going to inaugurate. So it is not going to happen 100 together. No, I have started it and I am sure that I have targeted all government buildings. All government buildings have solar energy. And we are inaugurating Margaon maybe next week and the university the following week, which I will call.
How much subsidy right now you are giving?
We are giving 50% subsidy. It comes in 6 months. If you spend 100 rupees, you will get 50 rupees back as a household, LT.
Okay. So more 30% you are going to.
No, subsidy not. See, you don't understand. That's what you understand. See, आम्ही गोंयकारांनी already लोकांनी घातल्या. So तेका subsidy आम्ही 50% दिले.
Okay.
पण तेका restriction घातलेली solar roofaचेर. Roof तांचो व्हडलो आसा. पण त्यांचो load जो आसा, जो बिलाचे load आसा, तितले पासून restriction केले. तो आता लोड आम्ही वाढवून 30% मागीचो दितलो लोडाचेर. सो तेकाय मागीर तो घालतना 50% घातले. कळलं तुम्हाला क्लियर कळलं? थँक्यू.